Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and this will hopefully be a real short video how to create that shape. I moved them by hand in the other video. Now this one I made 10 inches. I changed my nudge factor to 5. I'm gonna hit the plus key on the keyboard and I'm done. All I did was hit the plus key on the keyboard. I didn't control D because if you control D in this case, and you move it down and then you move it over and you control D again, it moves it over again, which really isn't a problem. You can always move it back. But let's just go through this one more time real quick. Plus key on the keyboard, move it over, down. Plus key on the keyboard, move it up twice. And you've got that shape without having to move it by hand and without having to make sure it's on the quadrant of that shape. That's a pretty cool shape. I've used that shape before for other things because it'll actually fit inside of itself. If you look, if we left click, right click, you can do a lot with this shape and continue it on. I've done a lot of 3D shapes of this because you could just keep going forever and ever and ever. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.